is going to be my favorite video of the year.
Like I was floating in the air like birds.
So, are you ready for the adventure? With you, Ate? Chalo. Let's see how it goes. चला बाईक करावी लागेल, कोल्ड स्टार्ट आधी आणि इन्स्टा माउंट करावं लागेल. बरंच अंधार आहे बाहेर. तो छोटा पाना नाही आणला काय? त्यांनी थोडं सिक्युअर होऊन जाईल ना. पाना दे. आणि तो थोडं अजून जास्त टाईट होतो आणि मनाला शांती पडणार नाही म्हणून. ओके, where is our Insta? Here. I think this will go. चार्जिंग केले का? मला आठवत नाही आहे. ठीक आहे, होपफुली असेल बॅटरी त्याच्यात. चलो आपण निघूया आता बाईकवरती. पेट्रोल पानी सब है. ठीक है. So basically we are going for paragliding and I am not that much adventurous person. I like this bike and riding on it, that's all, but my wife is a lot. So in the previous vlog you must have seen that we were doing the zip line and she wasn't holding any of her hands. On the other hand, I was tightly grabbing that rope. The instructor told me that you don't have to hold it, you can just sit back and relax and enjoy the zipline ride. But I wasn't sure, like I didn't wanted my life to be hanging around, and height makes me nervous. Height makes me little bit sick, you can say. I did ride zipline before, but at the time I was kind of young than what I was right now, what I am right now. So yeah, I'm not doing the paragliding, she is doing. It is her birthday still, so yeah. So this is kind of gift to her from me, and we did zipline on my birthday at Ganpatipule. You can check those vlogs in the Ganpatipule series. इंस्ट्रक्टर ने हमें जो बोला है, the meeting point where we have to reach is about 15 or 18 kilometers from our place. We should be reaching now. It's almost there. The guy asked us to come at 6 a.m. and we are a little bit late. The location where we have to go, it's there we cannot go with our own vehicle because of the bad road condition is not that good. So they asked us to get a shared cab or jeep. I think it's jeep. So you don't want to miss that. And if you do the special one, it's I think 1200 rupees round trip, for 1200 rupees round trip there. And it's quite costly. Flyover ki, okay, Khalun, and then left is there. Okay. So we don't have to take the flyover now. What I would do if these lights are not there? These lights are so helpful. These lights are from Mad Dog. I'll do a detailed review of what accessories that I have on my bike and what I want to upgrade to. But so far so good. I don't feel like upgrading anything except the stock headlamp that comes with Royal Enfield. Oh, okay. So I'll be reaching by 300 meters. It's on the road only, I guess. Rangoli Hotel, okay. Oh, we are the first one here. I think we need to call him. I see bikes here. That means people have already come. And those looks like a rider. Wow. Expulse and Royal Enfield Scram 411. So we have reached. I'm not sure you can see anything over here. I can see Mundo. So we have reached to the destination from where we'll begin our paragliding. I'm not sure if you are able to hear me out properly because of the wind. Winds must be there. So from here sun will rise. From here you can see the old Mumbai-Pune highway. That area.
हम ये सेट में ट्राई करने वाले हैं ईस्ट है, पीछे वेस्ट है, ये साउथ है और ये नॉर्थ है, ठीक है। बेसिकली ईस्ट और वेस्ट में फ्लाइंग होती है, ठीक है। सो ये टेक ऑफ होगा, यहाँ से टेक ऑफ होगा, अलोंग द माउंटेन फ्लाई होगा। जैसे हाइट में हम आगे भी फ्लाई करेंगे, जो ड्यूरेशन है फिनिश होने के बाद अगेन सेम स्पॉट पे लैंडिंग होगी। ये हमें लैंडिंग होगी। बट
So here we are having our sunrise. How are you feeling?
Excited?
Ready?
A bit nervous. Yes.
Okay. And we also have our moon over here. People are getting ready and I guess we are able to see because it's not dark now. It's quite good. They are saying that we will get sunrise while flying. So let's see how it goes. I'm not flying. I'll be here documenting everything. They are preparing for the fly. I think this is a test flight. Oh, wind is quite strong over here. ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬಚ್ಚೆ ರೆಡಿ ಐತೆ माझ्याकडे कवर काढायचं चालू करशील
कॅमेरा बरोबर घ्यायचा
हो हो
हो चालेल ना.
one is Sai. I'm not sure which one is Sai in them. So I'm covering 3 of them. I guess this one is Sai. I don't know. Best time to do this is sunrise, guys. I'm not sure about sunset, but sunrise will be definitely a good thing. I think that's it. सन और हियर और मेरी आंखों का तारा उधर Look at the view. Man, I wish I could do this. I wish I was brave enough to do this part. I'm not, and I'm okay with that. This is going to be my favorite video.
Thank you.
How was it?
एक नंबर.
Was good?
खूप मस्त. आराम चेअर मध्ये बसून मस्त. सनराइज बघते असं.
सही है.
मस्त होता.
How was it?
खूप छान होता. खूप छान. It was very good.
Liked it?
Very much. Very nice experience.
So now we are returning to the place where we have our vehicles, jeep and all. And this is quite a trek kind of trail. It's not that big. It's I guess 10 minutes. Say?
Yes. Approx 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, 10-15 minutes. Maybe it is. But it's so deep in the this forest kind of thing. So yeah, it's good. Can you tell us about your experience, eh?
felt like I was floating in the air.
Okay.
When I went up, the sun was not up. So while going up at 7:15 or some that time, the sun started coming up, and I went up. So he was like, "Ma'am, हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं इसलिए आपको सन दिख रहा है. Actually sunrise हुआ नहीं है." Oh shit, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है क्या?
Okay, so basically, so for us, sun was not that much rising,
Yeah.
and for you it was because you were
Because
up.
I was up.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's
The
good.
wind was taking us up.
And what about that swirl thing?
That was the best experience. And before doing the stunt, he asked me like, "Ma'am, are you comfortable? Are you okay?" Then I said, "Yeah, I'm fine." Then he did the stunt, and he
Okay.
did it twice because I requested him to do.
Okay.
It
The
was
people
nice.
were actually nice.
Very polite.
Very polite, very professional. The way they handled everything. They are good in what they are doing. So the quality of their work is quite good, and we liked it.
I
So-
felt like I was floating in the air like birds.
Okay.
I even said that to him.
Okay. I guess it was nice. So your first sunrise in the
In
air.
the air.
In the air, basically, yeah. So when we were coming back, when we are coming here in the morning, we were not able to see anything. And now when we see it, it's good over here. This is our trail, if you can see.
It's complete dark.
Yeah, my Insta got drained out. Otherwise, we would have a better view of this place with Insta 360. That is where our vehicles are. We are back now. Had a great experience. The way he was telling me, it was awesome. People are actually professional. So if you really want to do this, we can have the. I can add all the contact information in the description for you guys, so you can contact with them. People are actually professional. They have courses also of this. They are telling us. And our next plan would be we are gonna go to the western side. So what they told us is that the paragliding that she did was the eastern side of this mountain. Okay, and they also have one pattern where we will be doing this paragliding on the western side. And because it's a winter, it's a switching time of winds. So the wind is actually shifting from east to west. And this is like the last month of winter, January month. So they do not take much risk, and they just land you there itself from where you begin. Now it's 9:17 and still we are getting blasted by this cold wind. You must have felt that in my voice now. It's still cold. Still cold here. So here we have new McDonald's. So we are going to go there for our breakfast. Yeah, it's open, I guess. We can go. Yes, it's open. I can see bikes. Triumph Tiger and Kawasaki versus. Wow, man. They look good. Okay then, I'll see you So we were having our breakfast and look at here. So there's a group of riders, they have come. All are having so much awesome bikes, man. Triumph, Tiger, BMWs are there, Adventure 390 is there, Triumph is there, and with all that my Nova is standing there, a little little bike. It's not even visible from here, but yeah, the group is awesome and most of them are like old guys. I wish to be like these, man. Like after in my 40s or 50s, I wanna be something like them. Feels so motivational looking at these people riding their vehicles.